Hey guys, welcome back to the topic National Youth Day. National Youth Day 2022 is on 12th of January 2022. This event is also known as Vivekananda Jayanti and is celebrated every year in India on 12th of January since 1985. The date of National Youth Day in India is on the birthday of Swami Vivekananda, who was a Hindu monk and philosopher. The purpose of Youth Day is to highlight the issues that are affecting youth and also to attain the attention of the national and international community to resolve these issues. This special day also admires the role of young people in the development of society and technology. In the pandemic COVID-19, the young generation made the people aware of precautionary measures against this virus. This also spread out the information about social distancing and hand washing etc. on social media during this disease voluntarily. So in this video I am talking about National Youth Day theme, history and significance. Let's start. This theme of National Youth Day in India 2022 reveals that the meaningful participation of young people is quite necessary to achieve the fruitful results of the agenda of the United Nations. Increasing population requires develop food generating resources to fulfill the future requirements of healthy food. The other alarming issues like poverty, health care, biodiversity, and climate change etc. are a big challenge of the near future. All these problems can't be handled without youth support. It is time to engage young people in overcoming these challenges. The young people should involve themselves in resolving these issues. History of National Youth Day. In 1984, the Indian government decided to celebrate the birthday of Swami Vivekananda as a National Youth Day. The ideals and philosophy of Swami Vivekananda are great inspirational for India youth. In 1998, the World Conference of Ministers responsible for youth recommended this day for the UN. The United Nations adopted 12th August of every year as International Youth Day to promote better awareness of the World Programme of Action for Youth. The UN aims to engage young people in promoting peace and brotherhood. 18 world countries commemorate this day according to their own specific date. In respect to acknowledge the services of Swami Vivekananda for youth, India declared the date of 12 January for the celebrations of this day after the birthday of Swami Vivekananda. Celebrations of National Youth Day in India. The colorful celebrations of National Youth Day are held in educational institutions, schools, colleges, and universities. These celebrations include yoga seminars, presentations, sports, and essay writing competitions. Activities are be the part of activity promoting this day. Deliver a speech about youth problems and their solutions at a proper forum. Contact your local radio station to conduct a program about youth on this day. Organize young people meetings and ask them to play their role in the implementation of theme based activities. Aware the young people through discussions and further activities to be a part of non-violence. Arrange a musical concert in your college, university, or any other place. So it was a decision of Government of India taken in 1984 to celebrate the birthday of great Swami Vivekananda January 12 as National Youth Day every year. National Youth Day, also known as Vivekananda Jayanti, is celebrated on 12th of January, being the birthday of Swami Vivekananda. In 1984, the Government of India declared this day as a National Youth Day. What Gandhiji said captures the great importance of spreading Swami Vivekananda ideas and ideals among the youth in our country today. personified the eternal energy of the youth and their restless quest for truth. It is entirely fitting that the Government of India has declared 12th of January the National Youth Day, observed all over India at schools and colleges with processions, speeches, music, youth conventions, seminars, yogasans, presentation, competition in essay writings, etc. So, this is observed in various centers of Ramakrishna Mutt and Mission in a traditional Hindu manner, which include a Mangal Aarti and special worship, home meditation, devotional song, religion, discourses, and Sandhya Aarti. So, hope you like this video. Then do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. Thanks for watching.